Okay, now that we have opened Spider and I've navigated up here to the directory name, I'm going to look inside pyEPR. In fact, the first thing to probably do is to go under the Python path manager and make sure to add the path of this Python package. So you want to add the root directory in which the pyEPR code is contained. I will click synchronize in order to synchronize the path with the system environment path. I will also then need to close the consoles here and open a new kernel. Now moving into the Python code base, so I can do import sys.path, so we can see that indeed we have my Python path in here. So I can do import pyEPR. What you will see, of course, is several failures because we have not installed all the required packages yet. So the package qtip, we're warned, is not installed, as well as the package pint, which we will install next. Okay, now we will go into the Python installation setup here and we'll take a look. So we'll do conda install conda forge pint. So we'll paste this into the terminal and execute. We're told that we'll do the following updates. We can click yes. This will install. Excellent. Then we'd also like to install the second package, conda install conda forge. This is what we get. Of course, we'd like to say yes, install qtip. Now returning to Spider, we can try to import the Python energy participation ratio package, in which case we see that it's successfully imported. We can also do from pyEPR import everything, which you'll see then loads a number of parameters that are used. Alright, in the next step, let's set up the actual configuration for the Python energy participation ratio package, or the energy package. So we'll go in the browser, navigating to the package directory with where the main module is. We'll go in the configuration file. You notice the main thing you need to change is where you will store your data. In this case, it's stored on the D disk in this folder. Be careful about adding a / here, as you'll notice that produces an error because it's an escape character. So either do 2 or none. Other parameters you can modify in here or throughout the text are dissipation parameters. For instance, the loss tangent of your substrate, which here is specified for sapphire, chosen 10 to the -6, dielectric constant of the substrate, as well as surface dielectric participation ratios for interface layers, thin film surface loss of the kinetic inductance, here measured 250 nanoohms for superconducting thin film aluminum, or you can also modify things such as the seam loss and so forth. These are described in more detail in other places. For plotting, we'd use matplotlib, and there's some options